For centuries, humans have been fascinated by animals. We've marveled at their grace and power. We've studied their behavior and intelligence, and we have sought to capture their essence in art and literature. Now, thanks to advances in artificial intelligence and robotics, we are on the cusp of a new era in our relationship with the animal kingdom. This is the era of robotic animals. Robotic animals are artificial creatures designed to mimic the appearance and behavior of real animals. They can be as simple as a toy dog that barks, or as complex as a robotic cheetah that can outrun the fastest human. These mechanical marvels are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. The creation of robotic animals has been made possible by breakthroughs in several key technologies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, gives robotic animals the ability to learn and adapt to their environment. Advanced sensors allow them to perceive the world around them, and powerful actuators give them the ability to move with precision and grace. AI algorithms can be trained on vast datasets of animal behavior, allowing robotic animals to mimic the movements and reactions of their living counterparts. Sensors, including cameras, microphones, and touch sensors, provide robots with a constant stream of information about their surroundings. This data is processed by onboard computers, enabling them to navigate obstacles, respond to stimuli, and even interact with humans and other animals. These advancements in AI, sensor technology, and robotics have paved the way for increasingly sophisticated and lifelike robotic animals. The development of artificial muscles and tendons has further enhanced the mobility and dexterity of robotic animals. These artificial muscles can contract and expand just like real muscles, providing robots with a greater range of motion and more lifelike movements. Robotic animals are already being used in a wide range of applications across various fields, showcasing their versatility and potential impact on our lives. In research, robotic animals are proving to be invaluable tools for studying animal behavior and ecology. For example, robotic fish have been used to study the social interactions of fish in schools, while robotic cheetahs have been used to study the biomechanics of running. In education, robotic animals are being used to teach children about animal care and welfare. For example, some schools use robotic dogs to teach children about the responsibilities of pet ownership, while others use robotic dinosaurs to teach children about prehistoric life. Beyond research and education, robotic animals are also finding a place in entertainment and therapy. Robotic pets, such as dogs and cats, are becoming increasingly popular as companions for the elderly and people who live alone. These robotic companions can provide comfort and companionship without the demands of caring for a living animal. In therapeutic settings, robotic animals have been shown to have a calming and therapeutic effect on patients, particularly those with dementia or autism. The interactive nature of robotic animals can help to engage patients and stimulate their senses, providing a sense of purpose and connection. Moreover, robotic animals are being used in search and rescue operations, disaster relief efforts, and even space exploration. Their ability to navigate challenging terrain, withstand harsh conditions, and collect valuable data makes them invaluable assets in these demanding fields. Section 5. The ethical frontier of artificial animals. As robotic animals become more sophisticated and lifelike, it is important to consider the ethical implications of their creation and use. One of the main concerns is the potential for robotic animals to be abused or mistreated. Unlike living animals, robotic animals do not feel pain or suffering. This raises the question of whether it is morally acceptable to treat a robotic animal in a way that would be considered cruel if it were a living creature. Another ethical concern is the potential impact of robotic animals on our relationship with living animals. If people become accustomed to interacting with robotic animals, will they be less likely to appreciate the unique qualities of living creatures? Will the increasing presence of robotic animals lead to a decrease in empathy and respect for the natural world? Section 6. Blurring the lines: robotic animals and living counterparts. The line between robotic animals and living animals is becoming increasingly blurred as technology advances. Some researchers are even working on creating biohybrid robots that are part machine and part living organism. For example, scientists have created robotic stingrays powered by living rat heart cells, and there are ongoing efforts to develop artificial organs and limbs using three-dimensional bioprinting technology. These advancements raise profound questions about the nature of life and consciousness. If a robotic animal is created with enough biological components, at what point does it cease to be a machine and become a living creature? The increasing sophistication of robotic animals also challenges our understanding of animal sentience and consciousness. If a robotic animal can exhibit behaviors and responses that are indistinguishable from those of a living animal, does that mean it is capable of experiencing emotions or feeling pain? Section 7. The future of robotic animals. A fusion of technology and nature, the future of robotic animals is full of possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and lifelike robotic animals. These artificial creatures will likely play an even greater role in our lives, assisting us in our work, educating our children, and providing us with companionship. One exciting area of development is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into robotic animals. This will allow them to learn and adapt to their environment in real time, becoming more autonomous and lifelike in their interactions. Another promising area is the development of biomimetic materials and designs inspired by nature. By mimicking the structure and function of biological systems, engineers can create robotic animals that are more agile, efficient, and resilient. Section 8. The potential impact: a world transformed. The increasing prevalence of robotic animals has the potential to transform various aspects of our world, from healthcare and education to environmental conservation and space exploration. In healthcare, robotic animals can assist with patient care, providing companionship, emotional support, and even physical therapy. They can also be used to train medical professionals in a safe and controlled environment. In education, robotic animals can enhance STEM learning by providing students with hands-on experience in robotics, programming, and animal behavior. They can also make learning more engaging and interactive, fostering curiosity and a love for science. In environmental conservation, robotic animals can be deployed to monitor wildlife populations, track endangered species, and collect data on ecosystems. They can also be used to deter poachers and protect vulnerable habitats. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the potential of artificial companions. Robotic animals are no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a tangible reality. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and lifelike robotic animals, blurring the lines between machine and organism. While ethical considerations regarding their treatment and potential impact on our relationship with living animals remain crucial, the potential benefits of robotic animals in various fields are undeniable. From revolutionizing research and education to providing companionship and transforming healthcare, robotic animals are poised to play an increasingly important role in our lives. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it is imperative that we proceed with caution, ensuring the responsible development and use of these artificial creatures for the betterment of both humanity and the natural world. Embracing the potential of robotic animals, while remaining mindful of the ethical implications, will be key to harnessing their power for a brighter future.